and welcome to the Beae tutorial series. In this video, I will tell you about the quantity feature in the Beae website builder. So firstly, when you guys come onto the Beae website builder, this is the dashboard that you guys are going to be seeing. So now from over here on the left side, you guys have all of these features come up. So from over here, simply drag and drop the quantity feature, and then after that it's gonna show you all of its options on the right side. You guys have the option to change up the quantity label as well. So basically you guys can change it up to anything else. For example, I can make it QTY, and then now over here you guys can see that it has changed to QTY. So below that you guys also have the option to align it to the center or to the right side depending upon how your website is placed. And then below that you guys can also change up the design as well. So basically for it to be a simple QTY like this one, or for it to be a drop down quantity option like this one. And then below that you also have the option to basically choose the maximum amount of quantity available over here in this particular option. You guys can have it be as low as 1 or as high as 100. I'm sure you guys can even increase it even further if you guys want to. And then below that you can also have it be shown as inline, as you guys can see over here. And then below that you guys also have the option for it to show as inline or for it to show as outline. Now up top you also have the option for the style as well. In the style section you guys can modify these labels. You guys can change up the labels, alignment, text color, typography, and text shadow, and you guys can change up the same things for the quantity as well. And then of course you guys have some more options in the quantity. You guys have the option for background, box shadow, and border, and then you also have the option for the minus option. And over here you guys can even customize the size and also the rotation of this particular minus button. And then below that you also have the option to change up the plus button depending upon if you are trying to subtract or if you're trying to add the options to add quantity or to decrease quantity over here in the Beae website builder. Over here you guys can also see that you guys can add in animations as well, such as the hover animation, the shrink animation, the rotation animation, and also the grow animation as well. But other than that, all of the features are same throughout all of these buttons, and you guys can definitely make it exactly as you guys want to using the awesome Beae website builder. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.
Yeah.